Okay, 10th class, let's move to our next lesson, our third lesson, industries from geography. Industries in India from geography. Already we have studied that resource of India, first, second. Then next one is from geography, we will study industries in India. Many industries are there in India. What is an industry? Before going to study industries in India, what is an industry? What do you mean by industry? Industry means that udyog or vyavasay means a place where things are manufactured or produced. A place. Industry is an place where the things, articles are manufactured. Means we get many products, finished products. When we go to a market or a shop to buy many things, we get the finished goods, not the raw material. We get finished goods. Such finished goods these finished goods comes from an industry. So industry is a place where the things are manufactured. Manufactured means that there is उत्पादन, निर्माण, production करने का एक जगह है जो चीज़ बनता है, जहाँ से जो चीज़ बनता है वो है industries. Here we will study India's industries. Many types of industries are there in India, and its types of industries: large, small, and cottage industries, and such types of industries, and specific industries of India and their distributions of specific wishes. Industries are there in India for many products. Specific industries are there, and their distribution means production, producing units, areas. Next, contribution of industries to nation's economy. आर्थिक व्यवस्था में किसका सहाय? इंडस्ट्रीज का. व्यवसाय, उद्योग क्या सहाय देता है? मीन्स इट contributes, these industries contribute to our Indian economy a lot of money, income. Next, industrial pollution and its effects on human life. As we know that these kinds of industries, it dispose and makes a lot of many kinds of pollutions, and it has some bad effect on our life also. हमारा ज़िंदगी में भी इसका बुरी प्रभाव भी आता है हमारे ज़िंदगी में, इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन का, व्यवसाय प्रदूषण का. And next one is steps to control pollution. How can we prevent these kinds of pollution? ऐसे हमको बचा सकता है, कंट्रोल कर सकता है. How can minimize these pollutions? We will study these topics from this lesson, industries in India. Okay. Already we mentioned that what is an industry? Industry is a place where things are manufactured or produced. Let's continue the topic here given industries. We will study industries in India. इंडस्ट्रीज़ के बारे में, व्यवसायिक उद्योग के बारे में, इंडिया का उद्योग के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. एंड स्कोप एंड टाइप, इम्पोर्टेंस एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड contribution to economy, our economy, and its bad side effects and effects of pollution, types of pollution, and effects on our life. And next, the thing steps to how can we control the pollution. These things we will study from here. Okay, let's continue. For fulfillment of his needs, man gets certain things from nature directly. Certain things are produced by him with the nature's help, while some other things she manufactures or makes using natural resources. We are saying that for fulfillment of his needs, man gets certain things from nature directly. We get this to fulfill our needs. Fulfill means पूरी करने के लिए. Whose needs? Our needs. His needs means किस, उनका, उसका नहीं, हमारा आवश्यकता ज़रूरत फुलफिलमेंट करने के लिए वी गेट सर्टेन थिंग्स, कुछ चीज़ों फ्रॉम नेचर वी गेट डायरेक्टली, वी गेट एयर, वाटर एंड सॉइल एंड सम फूड डायरेक्टली वी गेट फ्रॉम नेचर, प्रकृति से हमको सीधा मिलता है. बट some of them certain things are produced by him with nature's help, but other things, some things are there, we have to produce it, manufacture it, उत्पादन करना पड़ता है, निर्माण करना पड़ता है. किसका हेल्प से? प्रकृति का हेल्प से. While some other things he or she manufactures or makes using natural resource. Yes, we make some other things. दूसरा चीज़ हम लोग किसका मदद से बनाता है? With the help of natural resources. We make many products. For example, this book or table or bench. How can we make these things, these man-made things? With the help of natural resources. Natural help resource का help से मदद से हमको बना सकता है. This work of making or manufacturing things is called industry. This work, इसी प्रकार का काम है of making and manufacturing or producing things are called industry. This process is known as industry, where the place where the things are manufactured. This process, the making process, उत्पादन करने का, निर्माण करने का ये प्रोसेस को, ये प्रक्रिया को क्या बोलेगा? इंडस्ट्री बोलेगा. In the process of manufacturing or making things, man uses raw material and converts into finished goods with the help of labor, energy and technology. Man needs many material to convert means change into finished goods. इसी प्रकार पूरा किया वाला चीज़ बनाने के लिए man needs with the help of labor, energy and technology. He needs labor, मजदूरी का मतलब physical energy, and energy means here man-made energy means light, electricity, टेक्नोलॉजी भी चाहिए. क्या बनाने के लिए? ये गुड्स बनाने के लिए ये चीज़ का भी ज़रूरत है. मैन कैन कन्वर्ट द थिंग, नेचुरल थिंग और रिसोर्स और दैट इज रॉ मटेरियल, कच्चा माल क्या कर कन्वर्ट कर बदल सकता है, एक फॉर्म से दूसरा फॉर्म बना सकता है ना. और ये टेबल बनाने के लिए मैन यूजेस the natural resources, then he can control raw material, that is called natural resource, that is called wood. ना अब टेबल बनाने के लिए वुड चाहिए, लकड़ी चाहिए, वो वुड है रॉ मटेरियल. देन ही कैन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू फिनिश्ड गुड्स बनाएगा, टेबल बनाएगा विथ द हेल्प ऑफ लेबर चाहिए ना, कारपेंटर चाहिए, एनर्जी चाहिए, कुछ समय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए, कुछ समय और अदर एनर्जी चाहिए. देन टेक्नोलॉजी, इसका टेक्नोलॉजी भी आइडिया भी होना चाहिए, नॉलेज होना चाहिए. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज manufacturing thing, and the place and the activity is known as industry. Okay.